Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for June 4th. We recently celebrated Orlando Health Arnold Palmer Hospital's facility dog Loopie's 4th birthday, and it was positively awesome. Fun stations, presents, and a cupcake made a great time for all. Happy birthday, dear Loopie. Happy birthday to you. Thanks to our patients and team members for celebrating Loopie's big day. And when Ronnie McCool was rushed to the ER, his wife Susan was prepared for the worst. Thanks to the dedicated team at Baptist Health Walker Hospital, Ronnie is on the road to recovery and finding moments of joy with his family.
Ronnie got real sick. He fell out of bed on that Friday morning. So we got him back in bed, and the longer the day went, the worse he got. When the ambulance got there, they were actually doing a sternum rub on him just to try to wake up, and they wasn't getting anything. He had no blood pressure. They took him to Walker. The next time I saw him was almost 2 hours later. The nurse came in and kept us updated on everything that was going on with Ronnie. That he was on a ventilator, that he had a central line put in. He was alive. He was breathing. Albeit on a vent, he was breathing. The doctors and nurses all up there really, truly saved his life. I have no doubt in my mind about that. Without them, I would have buried him a week ago.
When Mr. McCool was actually a patient here in our ICU, I was doing my patient rounding, and I had spoken with his wife, and she had went on and on about the great care that she had received from some of my team members. It means the world to me that they were recognized by this family. Just to hear the difference that our nurses are making in our community with our patients and the care that they've received, and how they genuinely just have that compassion for them.
Thank you so much for letting me be here, that I can smile through happy tears. Right now he's in physical therapy, walking, he's talking, he's eating. We all appreciate you so much, and we thank you. And our love and our prayers will always be with all of you, because y'all all hold a special place in our heart.
And a celebration was held for students to honor the 25th year of a relationship between Orlando Health Bayfront Hospital and Pinellas County Schools. Through this skills program, students participated in food service training.
This is one of the most amazing things that we have done here throughout the course of Bayfront's history for the last 25 years. We connected with Pinellas County School District and their students with special needs. So today we celebrated that 25 year of commitment since the year 2000 to today. Celebrated those students along the way. That was really special for us to see how that Orlando Health Bayfront mission, meeting the needs and the connections in our community in a real, tangible way.
We partner with the program to provide the students an opportunity to work on culinary skills, job skills throughout the kitchen, which is extremely important to us. So all around they're getting that essential job training to help them, further develop along so that they can integrate, within the community and grow and excel.
And after last year's successful implementation at Orlando Health Bayfront Hospital, the Resuscitation Quality Improvement, or RQI Program, from the American Heart Association will soon launch organization-wide to provide CPR training to team members whose roles require basic life support, or BLS certification. Instead of completing the CPR training every 2 years, Orlando Health team members whose roles require BLS certification will now complete CPR training quarterly.
In addition to RQI being a skill builder, it's also a confidence builder. Our clinical and non-clinical team members now have the ability to improve, if not perfect, their CPR skills, something that will be a game changer, not only for our team members, but for our patients.
The training involves an online module every quarter that just takes a few minutes with a little bit of learning module in it, and then it's followed by a skills testing. It's done on an RQI cart that has an adult and infant mannequin on it with audio and visual feedback and prompts to allow them to have success in their skills.
And here are a few dates to know. Check Swift for all the details. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.